Okay, today during class, we practiced what we did last time with graphing lines, but now we're going to have two lines and find out where the intersections are. So the first thing I'm going to do with the first, we're going to put this into slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. We're going to try to arrange it into this form. So I'm going to write the first equation down. 2x plus 3y equals 6. 2x plus 3y equals 6. Okay, so the first step that we did in class when we solved this is we subtracted 2x on both sides of the equation, minus 2x, and then I end up with 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Okay, and then one more step, we have to divide everything by 3. Okay, and now our final answer is y equals negative 2/3 x plus, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, so that's one equation. Now the other equation, 11x plus 3y equals negative 21. I'm going to start off by rewriting that equation. 11x plus 3y equals negative 21. Okay, step 1, we're going to subtract 11x on both sides of the equal sign. Minus 11x. Okay, now I'm going to have 3y equals negative 11x minus 21. And just like what we did up here, I'm going to divide by the number in front of the y, which is 3. Okay, and then my equation now becomes y equals negative 11x over 3 minus 7. Okay, so we'll graph the top equation first. So negative 2/3 x plus 2. So my y-intercept here is at 2. Okay, and my slope is negative 2/3. So I go down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3. And now I can draw my line. Okay, and that's that equation. Now the other one, the y-intercept is negative 7, so I'm going to go over here and put a dot at negative 7. And my slope is negative 11 over 3. Now, I can't really go down 11 over 3. It's off the grid. So I'm going to go up 11 and to the left 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now I'm going to go over to the left 3. 1, 2, 3. And what do you know? It touches the line right there. So now I'm going to draw this line. Okay, and my intersection is at negative 3, 4. Okay, so let's do another one here. I've got 7x minus 4y equals negative 24. I'm just going to rewrite it over here. 7x minus 4y equals negative 24. Okay, so first step, just like before, we're going to subtract 7x on both sides, minus 7x. I hope you're using color just like I am, because it really, really makes a difference. If you're struggling, you can see the steps really clearly. So now I've got 7x and minus 24. Okay, so my first pink step was to get the x term to the other side of the equal sign. And now I'm going to isolate y by itself by dividing each term by negative 4. negative 4, negative 4. Okay, and then I end up with y equals, and negative divided by negative gives me a positive, so positive 7 over 4x, and then negative 24 divided by negative 4 gives me positive 6. So that's my first equation. Now the other equation, x plus 4y equals negative 8. X plus 4y equals negative 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract x on both sides of the equal sign. Okay, and then I'm going to get 4y equals negative x minus 8. And then I'm going to divide everything by positive 4. Okay, and then I'm going to end up with y equals 1/4 x, negative 1/4 x minus 2. Okay, so we're going to graph these two equations. So let's do this first one. The slope-intercept is 6. So I'm going to go slope-intersect at 6. And my slope is 7 over 4. I can't really go up 7 because I'm off the graph. So I'm going to go down 7 and to the left 4. So, because my slope is 7 over 4. So down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to the left 4. Okay. I'm going to draw that line. Okay, and then the next one, my y-intercept is negative 2, and my slope is negative 1/4. So I'm going to go down to negative 2, and my slope is negative 1/4. So down 1 over 4, down 1 over 4, and I can draw the line, and you can kind of already see that it's going to intersect here at negative 4, negative 1. Negative 4, comma, negative 1. Okay. Let's look at the next page. I'm going to mostly just show the answer and talk it through. So we've got these two equations, 5x minus 7y equals negative 49, and 10x plus 7y equals negative 56. So here's number 3. So let's talk it through. Okay, so 5x minus 7y equals negative 49. Subtract 5x on both sides. Hit pause if you need to. And then we're going to divide everything by negative 7. We get this equation. Now the other one, we got to rearrange it. Same process. Subtract 10x on both sides. Divide everything by 7. And then we get these two equations. My y-intercept is at 7. So I put a dot here at 7. And my slope is 5 over 7. I can't really draw that up here. So I'm going to go down 5 and over 7. And then I'm going to be right there. Over here, my y-intercept is negative 8. I can't really go down this way, so I'm going to go up 10 and to the left 7, and I'm going to end up here. Okay, let's do number 4. Okay, so number 4, it says x minus 2y equals negative 10, so we subtract x on both sides. Divide everything by negative 2, and we get this equation. Here we subtract 13x on both sides, then we get this black equation. We divide everything by negative 4, and we get this answer. So we graph the first line. The y-intercept is at 5. We got the dot there, and my slope is 1/2. So I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and I get this black line here. Okay. Y-intercept here is at negative 6, so I put a dot here at negative 6. I'm going to go up 13 and over 4, and I intersect here at 4, 7. Okay, and for the last two, I'm just going to show you the answer, and we'll do these in class. So we've got the equation 5x minus 6y equals negative 48. Same process. Subtract 5x on both sides, divide everything by negative 6. We get this. And subtract 2x on both sides, divide everything by 3, and we get this. Biggest mistakes people make is with the sign errors. So now that I've got 8 and 5, 6, so now I can go here and you can check your graph. Hit pause if you need to. And for number 6, here's my initial equations, and we solved it, and then check your graph. I hope this is helpful.